back, traders and YouTube, for a market analysis for the London session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil, giving you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe with us. If you have any questions, pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, what are we going to be looking for? Markets were we did have a holiday today, so markets were closed, but you could still kind of be in there and trade. I didn't do any trading today, but we will try to see if we can put in a market analysis for you guys for London session today and also into tomorrow's US session. So for S&P 500, we got resistance here, 3742.75. This is kind of where we want to see a rejection and then a nice double top to push it down. This is our resistance area here, so we're looking for a short to come in. So we'll see if we can get it back up to the upside there, get a nice rejection, and try a nice double top. Next area that we could see the market try to come back down to, we can actually make this a little bit green. So that's going to be our support zone right in that area, which we're going to be looking for the market to come right in this area to find that support, 3723.50. Right off this area, we're going to see if we can get a nice support bounce here. Boom, one touch, two touches. If we get a nice double bottom and fail to break through, we're going to be looking for a nice long opportunity back to the upside. Below that, next area of support that we're going to be looking out for is going to be this green zone down below, 3707.25 to about 3703.75. Below that, got another line of support that we could be looking into, which is 3694.75 and 3691.25. So we'll see if we get the opportunity to get all the way back there. And again, we do have a nicer support down below, deeper area, 3672 to about 3653 as the next zone of support down below. So we'll see if we get the opportunities there off S&P, but our first area of resistance can be right in this zone here between 33 to about 42. If we get the rejections, a nice double top at the top, could look for the market to try to move right back down from there. So we'll see if we get that opportunity, but we are going to be looking for it to come back down into that support of 3723.50. So we'll see what happens there on S&P 500. Moving over into gold. Gold, we got a little bit of a range going on right now. We are at support, so we want to see it dip down right back into this area, 1835.6. We bounce and get the support, look for the long back up into 1855.6 to about 1861. Now if we get the rejections here, nice double top, that's going to be our short area, but again, support 1835.6 to as low as 1827.5. If we get it back down here, we can also look for a nice bounce and then a long opportunity from there if we get this support to happen. So a little bit of a range, buy low, sell high, that's what we're going to be looking for. So keep in those areas for the support and resistance. Below 1808.9 is the next area of support that we'll be looking out for. So we'll see what happens. If we stay in this range, pretty easy to play it. But if not, if we break down, next level of support going to be down here, 1808.9. If we get that rejection off resistance up here, this is going to be where we're looking for a nice double top and then a short opportunity. So we'll keep an eye out for that on gold for the London session, maybe even into the US session. Moving over into crude oil. Crude oil 110.44 is the area of resistance right now. So if we get the rejection, get a nice double top, look for the short back down into 108.79, and then you can also look for a nice support bounce here back to the upside. So keep that in mind. May get a nice double bottom there, look for the long there. Resistance up above 112.38 and then 113.71. Below 108.79, next level down below 107.53, and then a nice zone between 106.47 to about 106.80 as the areas of support down below. So we could see this crude oil travel back down into this area of 108.79 and then get the bounce back up. So we're going to keep an eye out for that, see what happens there on crude oil. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you guys subscribe with us. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Other than that, though, you guys take care. You guys have a great night. Trade with discipline and patience. Take care, guys. Bye.